with crafttestdummies.com, and today we are at the Plaid booth with Carl, and he's going to tell us about hand lettering stuff. What's going on here?
Hey everybody, this is Carl with Plaid. We have developed, just seeing the craze out there of hand lettering and how everybody wants to be able to do it, we've developed a new brush lettering paint. Comes in 5 different colors, 2-ounce bottle, and it's just smooth, solid coverage in one stroke. It's just exactly what you want to be able to do the hand lettering. What's really important with it is these brushes. The brushes have a long head with a real blunt cut top on it, and that head just lets you follow the curves of the letters and do that hand lettering that you wanted to do. And these will be out in June time frame.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing.
You.
Stay tuned for more coverage of Creativation and Craft Test Dummies.